Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Balakrishna. In this video, I am going to explaining class 8, chapter 8, comparing the quantities. Okay, comparing the quantities. Okay, comparison. Okay, so here in the chapter, know about that ratio and race percentage. Next, mark price, selling price, cost price, discount. Okay, next interest, simple interest, compound interest. Okay, so ratio means what? Comparison between any two quantities with same units. Okay, that is called ratio is denoted by is to. So here we can compare from first quantity to second quantity. The first quantity is called antecedent, the second quantity is called consequent. Okay, so in exercise 8.1, the first one, find the ratio of the following. A. Speed of a cycle 15 km per hour to the speed of the scooter 30 km per hour. So here the unit is kilometer per hour. Here the unit is 30 km per hour. So same units. Next here, second one, 5 meters to 10 kilometers. Here the units are different. Meter and kilometer. Here 50 pies to 5 rupees. Here the units are different. Here pies and rupees. So here the speed of a cycle to speed of a scooter. The ratio of speed of cycle to speed of scooter is 15 is to 30. Let's say nothing but division. That is equal 15 by 30. So that is a 15 1 ja, 15 2 ja, 1 by 2. Nothing but 1 is to 2. So what the ratio? The ratio of speed of a cycle to speed of a scooter is 15 is to 30. Here the units are same. Okay. So here ratio nothing but division 15 by 30. 15 1 ja, 15 2 ja, that is 1 by 2. Nothing but we can get 1 is to 2. This is the first one. Second one, 5 meters to 10 kilometer. The ratio of 5 meters to 10 kilometer. So here we know that 1 kilometer is equal how many meters? 1000 meters. 1 kilometer is equal 1000 meters. Here the units are different. Here meter, here 10 kilometers. Again changing the same units. So that is 1 kilometer is equal to how much? 1000 meters. So how many kilometers are there? 10. So 10 kilometers is equal to how much? 10,000. So the ratio from 5 meters to 10 kilometer is 5 meters to 10 kilometer changing into meters, that is equal 10,000 meters. So ratio nothing but division, that is equal 5 by 10,000. So 5 1 ja 5 2000, that is equal 1 is to 2000. So what the ratio? 1 is to 2000. Next, 50 pies to 5 rupees. The ratio from 50 pies to 5 rupees. The ratio from 50 pies to 5 rupees. So here we know that 1 rupee is equal how much? 100 pies. See here how many rupees are there? 5 rupees. So 5 rupees is equal to how much? 100 pies. 5 into 100 pies. So here we want to change the same units. So now what that? 550 pies to 500 pies. 5 rupees is called 500. Okay. So ratio we can write as division, that is 50 by 500. So 0 0 cancel, 5 1 ja, 5 10 ja, that is equal 1 by 10 is equal to how much? 1 is to 10. So what the ratio? 1 is to 10. Second one, convert the following ratios to percentages. So first one, so 3 is to 4. So this ratio we can convert into percentage. Percentage means for by cent 100. Okay, percentage means what? By 100, for every 100. So ratio nothing but division, that is equal to 3 by 4. We can write as percentage form. So that means we can write as by 100. So I can write as 3 by 4 into 1. So 3 by 4 into 1, in the place of 1 I can write as 100 by 100. Why I can write? Because they are asking that converting into percentage. Percentage means by 100. Okay, so 4 1 ja, 4 25 ja. So 3 25 ja, 75 by 100 for every 100. So how much? 75 by 100. That is equal 75 percentage. Percentage means for every 100. Okay, next second one. 2 is to 3. So we can add as 2 by 3 into 1. So 2 by 3 into 100 by 100. So here 2 into 100, 200 by 3 into 1 by 100. So 1 by 100 means what? Percentage. So for every 100, 200 by 3 into 1 by 100. In the place of 1 by 100, you can add as percentage. Okay, so third one, 72% of 25 students are interested in maths. Okay, how many are not interested in maths? So here, total number of students is given. Total students is, how many students are they given? 25 members. So in this 25 members, how many members are interested in maths? 72%. So number of students interested in maths is how much? 72%. So 72% is depending on 25. So that is equal 72% of total students 25. That is equal 72% means by 100. 72 by 100 into 25. So 25 1 ja, 25 4 ja. 4 1 ja, 4 18 ja. So how many students are interested? 18 members. So total students is how much? 25. How many members are interested in maths? 18. So the remaining members are not interested. So number of students are not interested in mathematics is total students how many? 25. So how many students are interested in 18? So the remaining are not interested. So how many students are not interested in maths? 7 members.